Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how to create smart coupons per products in Woocommerce. Okay, so in order to create your coupons per product, you have to download the plugin that's called Smart Coupons right down here on Add a New Plugin. There you can find the first one that appears right here and install it. You can see it has more than 20,000 active installations, good reviews, compatible with your version of WordPress, and activate it. Then you can see this tab right here on the dashboard below. There you go, you add a new coupon right here. You can create your first coupon. Okay, so let's do it. First, give your coupon a code name. Let's say, for an example, test. Right here you can choose discount type, if it's percentage discount for all of the cart, or a fixed cart discount, or fixed product discount, which is per product, the amount, not percentages, but a fixed discount. Let's say, for example, $50 or 50 shekels or whatever currency you have on the website. You can also allow free shipping, coupon expiry date, or a start date. Also, you can apply a coupon automatically without writing the coupon code and display the coupon in the My Account, checkout, or cart page. Then you can go to usage restriction and you can apply a minimum spend or a maximum spend for the coupon. You can also use an individual use only or exclude sales items if you have more, and of course restrictions for the product category. There you go, right down here. You can exclude products that won't get this discount. Of course, you can allow products, only those products that you choose right here, to have this discount. For an example, let's take the package, holiday package product. Let's add another product for discount. Let's say I want the Shavuot holiday package right here, and I can choose if any of them will appear on the cart, the discount will apply. But if I want to choose this, all from below selection has to be on the cart, then both of the products has to be on the cart, so the coupon will be applied. Now, after that I publish it. Of course I can choose via category if I want to. Let's say if I want to choose just specific category to apply all of the products from there on the coupon discount, then I'll do it. But now I just choose the products there. But for this example, I will choose any from below selection, so one of the products has to appear on the cart, so the discount will appear. Now I update and we'll test this coupon if it works. Let's go back to the website, write holiday package, and let's choose the right product. So this is the right product. As you can see, you have many other products with a similar name. Don't confuse with the name. It has to be exactly what you choose on the discount. Add to cart. And right here I can see that I have those products and I can choose to check out. I will put the coupon code right here. Click here to enter your code. Apply coupon. Now it's successfully applied. And as you can see, I have a 100 shekels discount for the products. If I will remove this one and only got this, as you can see, the coupon does not apply because this product didn't choose for the coupon. So this is how you do it. You can apply coupons for specific products that will work only for them. As you saw, it's very easy to use this plugin, Smart Coupons, to create coupon for each product. If you have any more questions, you can write them in the comments below whenever you comment, and on the first comment I put in the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.